CM KCR also and 3 more MLAs from different communities to be part of it. He had instructed the local police also to cooperate and work with us. The cooperation was carried out and the cyber police took further action. Later the SIT was formed and KCR wanted the arrest of Mr. BL Santosh, BJP national level leader, to make the case strong so that BJP would come for compromise and it can be used to get rid of the ED case on his daughter MLC K Kavita. So this is the most scathing part of the ex-DGP's letter. However, due to inefficiency of some Cyberabad police officers in Kerala, one important person of Meta institution escaped police apprehension, and later SP MS Rema and Inspector SIB and some others were sent to Kerala in chartered flight, but the work could not be completed. The case went to High Court where not to arrest orders were issued, and then the SIT case was transferred to CBI. Pedayanna, he's referring to CM KCR, was very angry for not completing the work as per his expectation.
What happened that he is another dictator. He was, rather I should say. Second term he got through money, martial and blackmail. And he has not done only with the BL Santosh, but done it very well against everybody. And all opposition, that is why it's being highlighted that he has done it against only BL Santosh, but entire Congress and all. He has done it. And of course for that he should be penalized. And now there are many, the Prime Minister did it and Home Minister did it.
Yes, that's what all the time. The dynasty politics, that's what we have been telling time and again, the dynasty politics of BRS, TRS, it's all been the same. Let it be Congress party, it's been the same. They always misuse power.
This is nothing new. They have been doing it, they have been trying it. When during UPA, when Home Minister and Finance Minister's office can be bugged, what do you expect them to do when they are in the power in the state? KCR was always allergic to BJP, and he was just following the footsteps of the Congress, what Congress party has done in the past. All these are parts of the same corruption gang.
अगर केसीआर, केटीआर किसी ने पुलिस को या डीसीपी को फ़ोन टैपिंग के लिए कोई ऑर्डर दिए हैं तो वो बताएं। ये हमारे सीएम को कुछ नहीं मिलता है तो फ़ोन टैपिंग का ब्लेम डाल देना या दूसरे चीज़ों में लेके जाना, उनके दिए हुए टीएस को टीजी कर देना, ये सारे चीज़ों में स्टेट का कोई डेवलपमेंट